Hey everybody, alright, so we got an Xbox One S. They think the HDMI port is having some issues. We weren't able to get past the loading screen here, so a few issues. Got a flash drive here, OSU1. Alright, let's get... The hard drive is probably what we're gonna need to replace. I bought a new hard drive, so we're ready to go. So we got a new hard drive. Let's try this one out. See, that connector is starting to come up there. Yeah. That's all it looks like, is that because the pins look fine. It looks like the casing is kind of just bent a little bit here on this. We can reform it. We don't have to replace this, but maybe we should just replace it. Nice and tight now. All right, so fingers crossed this works this time. And it looks like it worked out this time, you guys. All right, let's get this put back together. Hopefully it loads up here. And there we go. Yeah, everything's looking good here. So I got Skate 3. Let's try this one out. Updated now. And there we go. Yep, looks like it's playing. All right, thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button and that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.